Hello, welcome to Unit 8, and in this unit we're going to be talking about a patient discharge. The objectives of this unit are evaluate levels of independence, talk about a patient discharge plan, explain medication, and making appointments on the phone after we have a patient discharge. So, in this video, we're going to focus on the first objective, that is to evaluate levels of independence. I want you to observe these little transcriptions about different patients discharged. As you can see here, we have different instructions given to them. Okay, so I will recommend you to check the recording that is in the presentation so that you can check all the information. But I want to point out some aspects that we need to consider when we are talking about a patient discharge. Okay, for example, here we have the use of some aids, okay, to move around, okay, some other aid, some things like extra help that the patient may need, okay, and other help, okay. So when we are discharging a patient, it is important to give them recommendations on how to move around or how can they do their daily activities. For example, in this case, we have this vocabulary about some aids that the patient may need after being at the hospital because of a surgery, an accident, whatever. Okay, so we have here crutches, leg brace, wheelchair, butt lift. Okay, for example, in this case, it's not necessarily an instrument that the patient will use, like the wheelchair or the crutches, but it is something that it is required, for example, here in the bath. Then we have the walking frame, a walking stick. Okay, so it is important to make the distinction. The walking frame is this one, and the walking stick is this one. Obviously, both of them are used to walk. The grab bar. This is similar to the previous one that we checked a moment ago. That is the butt lift. Okay, the difference here is obviously that this will be in the bath, I mean in the shower. Remember that in British English we say bath and in American English we say shower. And this is whatever bar that can be placed in the bathroom, in the bedroom, maybe in the stairs for the people to go up or go down. Okay, so that is the difference. But basically it's the same thing. Okay, the difference is the place. Then we have a non-slip mat. Normally we have this one outside the bath, outside the shower, or maybe in the bed, next to the bed, so that the patient won't fall down. We have a raised toilet. Okay, sometimes patients need this because they cannot bend enough to reach the toilet. We have the shower chair that is very useful after a surgery, after an accident, so that the patient is not up when taking a shower. Okay, and you know that these chairs normally have little holes to allow the water to run. And now, with this vocabulary, let's do the first practice. Don't forget to check the recording. So, are you ready?